You know what ETFs are, now let's actually buy one. Here's exactly how to buy your first ETF in South Africa, step by step. No fluff. If this helps, hit like and subscribe. It helps more South Africans find this content. All you need is a South African ID number, a bank account, and 100 Rand to start. That's it. No financial advisor, no big savings. Just get started. Go to easyequities.co.za and open an account. Fill in your details, upload your ID, and complete the FICA verification. It usually takes 24 hours. Other platforms like Satrix and 10X Investments also work, but Easy Equities is the easiest starting point. Once approved, log into your ZR account, FNB, Capitec, Nedbank, ETC, and you're ready. Click Fund, grab Easy Equities banking details, and do an EFT from your bank. Most banks process it same day. Once the money reflects, you're good to go. In the search bar, type the ETF you want. A great starting point is the Satrix Top 40. It tracks the top 40 JSE companies. Click on it, hit buy, enter your rand amount, confirm, and that's it. You've just bought your first ETF. Your ETF reflects in your portfolio within a day or two. The value will move up and down, that's normal. You don't need to watch it daily. ETFs are built to be held. The longer you hold, the harder your money works. First ETF? Done. Simple. Next video, we're covering unit trusts versus ETFs, so you know exactly what the difference is. Subscribe to Rand Smart and I'll see you there.